We're back.
Part two.
We're back.
We're back. We had a little text.
All right, here we go. Now we got four sets of cards.
Look, wait.
Four sets.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna take one set and cut this one in half.
Down this side?
Down the middle, that way. Mm-hmm. Good cut. Booyah. There. Now, we got this half and that half. Now we're gonna go. Look. Take your sheet of paper. Take you one sheet of paper.
Yeah.
Take you one. First, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ready? You're gonna use this one, I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
We're gonna fold it in the middle. Make a cut like that. Put your finger in the middle of that. And then you'll fold it, make a cut like that. Right there. See? Look at the top. See the point? That's about half of the paper, right? All right. Then do the same thing with that side. Fold it into that side. Now you got a point. Yeah, buddy. Now.
It's gonna be bigger than mine.
That's what I'm saying. We get these are all small. Check it out. There you go. Fold this over into there.
This?
Over into there.
Wait, I can't get it like them.
No. Right here, like this. All the way across.
Oh, yeah.
Even it up. See the end right there? Try to get it even. And right there. There we go.
I'm gonna
Now,
use blue.
staple.
You,
See the end right there? We're gonna staple it.
you're gonna use the staple because it's not safe for me.
Booyah.
You're gonna use stapler because it's
Watch
not
this.
safe for me.
Booyah.
You use the stapler because it's not safe for me.
Cool.
Cool.
All right. Next we go fold that way.
What's what?
Just like that. Turn it this way.
Oh,
and
yeah.
just flip it back and fold a crease about just where your thumb was at. Push that down like that. Push it. Yoop. Now flip it over and do the same thing and make it even with that. Right there.
Now it's gonna be a little line.
Make it line.
Now it's gonna be a little line in between them.
I'm gonna do mine. Zoop.
Why are you standing like this?
So I can be in your video.
Alright, now fold
Now
it.
open it up and look what you got already.
Oh,
Yours like that too.
no.
These miniature baby boomers.
Yeah.
Now make your markers on it and color it up.
You can use
I'm gonna start with the black and you start with the blue, so we won't use the same one. Then we'll switch. All right. I'm gonna just make all different kind of designs on it. That's all you do. Whatever your imagination tell you to do.
I'm making some little ovals.
I'm trying my
They no go.
baby boomer.
No, baby boomer. Yeah, quarters on.